video will guide you through what user-centric is and how it works. UNIVERGE 3C works with a user-centric idea, but what is user-centric? Well, user-centric is what makes 3C different. It starts with the person. A person is given one single identity, one single telephone number is given against which multiple devices are then tied to. Your desk phone, your video phone, your laptop soft media phone, and your smartphone. When a user-centric user makes a call from any device, one single number will be shown to the opposite party. The same happens when a call is answered by a user-centric user. Regardless of the answering device, the calling party will always see the same single number of the user-centric user they're calling. The status of the various devices is then combined, no matter which devices are being used. For example, a user is on a call on their desk phone. Their video phone and smartphone are idle, and they have a scheduled meeting in Outlook, which their UC client is using for their presence. The status of all devices is then combined so others can see that person's activity. We then layer on top of that your preferences, how you handle your calls and which devices they ring on, your forwarding profiles, and then who you wish to communicate with. All of this can then be controlled by the UC client for Windows, Mac, or the mobile client for iOS and for Android. In your UC client, as a user-centric user, you can set to which of your devices an incoming call will be offered to. This can be set by going to your Preferences, which is available from the drop-down menu. Under your Preferences window, you can then select the call offering option, and you can then see the 4 devices which are currently available to you: your desk phone, your soft phone for your laptop, your soft phone for your smartphone, and your video phone. You can then choose from the offering column which of those devices will offer when a call is presented to you. And in this case, your desk phone, your soft phone for your laptop, and your video phone will ring when a call is presented to you. You can also choose one of your 4 devices to be your default. In this instance, your desk phone has been selected as your default device. When a call is presented to you, you can simply press the answer button on the call toast and the call will be answered on the device that you have set as default. If you have more than one device available, then when a call is presented to you, you now have the option to choose which of those devices to take the call on. By hovering over the answer button on the call control bar, you can then choose the device, for example, your desk phone. The same applies when making a call. If you choose to not hover over the call icon and simply press it, then the call will be made on the device that you have set as default. However, if you do hover over the call icon, then a list of your available devices is shown. From here, you can then choose the device in which to make the call from. When you hover over the call icon, the list of devices that are shown each has a unique label assigned against them. This label can be customized from under your Preferences menu. So if you select your Preferences menu, select the call offering option, you can then define a label to be assigned against each of your devices. Once you're happy with the devices labels that have been given, you can simply save that change. So that's all for this video. I hope it's been useful for you in finding out what user-centric is and how it works in UNIVERGE 3C. Please be sure to check out the other videos that are available, especially the videos relating to managing your preferences in the UC client. This goes into more detail about those preferences that are available for user-centric users and how we manage them.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.